Hey, this is Amy Sanchez here in New York City at the LG G3 press conference. So as you know, we just introduced this awesome, beautiful new phone, the LG G3. So first look at the handset. You can see the very nice slim bezels on this device on a 5.5-inch Quad HD display, which is amazing. 3,000 milliamp battery, 801 Snapdragon processor, very slim design. And of course, we brought over those rear keys so you have your volume up and down rocker as well as your power. But introducing now the first US device to have an autofocus, precision autofocus laser on their camera. You'll also notice too the dual lights, so that you have the dual lighting for your perfect photos. So this is a selfie powerhouse on this device. So there's a lot of cool features that we're going to show you. But the first thing I'm going to show you going into the phone is the knock code feature. So we talked about the knock code, how you can access your phone and make it very secure. So I've created a knock code pattern and it'll let me straight into my phone. So you're going to notice first off our brand new user interface. So you can see it's very sleek, very sophisticated looking. It's what everybody's been asking us for, so it's a beautiful new design for our user interface. And our Smart Notice feature. So you'll notice here Smart Notice is letting me know that it's very cloudy outside. So it's kind of letting me know ahead of time that I might want to prepare for weather or anything that might be coming up. So as I go over to the left of the phone, we have a brand new feature with our G board with our Smart Notice. So it's got features like the LG Health, so it'll let me know how many steps and how many calories I burned. I can set that up and customize that, as well as any smart tips. So a little quick walkthrough demo videos on the LG G3. So I'm going to go back here real quick to Smart Notice. So from Smart Notice, if I do the drop down panel, there's 11 different cards that will let me know of anything that might be coming up. So for example, I can go through here and I can go to my smart tips, like we talked about the smart tips, where I can go in and watch different videos. Also a feature called Smart Cleaning, so I can go in and delete any other unused files or applications that I haven't used in a long time. I can set this up to automatically go to my Smart Cleaning to get rid of some of those older unused apps. Also with the LG Health, it lets me know that I've met my goal for the day, that I've done enough exercise, I've met the calorie goal that I've set for myself, as well as there's a Smart Cleaning right there, birthdays. So if I have someone's birthday coming up, it'll let me know, hey, I need to call Linda, send her a birthday gift or send her birthday wishes. And also our frequently used numbers. So if this is a number that's called me frequently or I've called them frequently, it'll say, you know what, let me recommend to you that you add them to your phone book so that you can use that for later. So let's go ahead and move over into the camera. So you can see it's a nice clean user interface here on the camera. So it is using the optical image stabilization on a 13 megapixel camera on the rear, 2.1 forward facing. But one of the cool things about the precision laser autofocus is that I can just simply tap to shoot. And very quickly you'll notice it's able to focus, and I can take those photos one right after the other, so I never have to worry about waiting a couple of seconds for it to actually go in and focus and then maybe take a chance of missing that photo. I won't have to worry about that with the LG G3. Now quickly from the screen you can see your modes. You've got your settings here of course. But one thing I want to show you too whenever we're talking about the video and the different modes is 120 frames per second slow motion video record, which is really, really cool. Once we finish the camera part, I'll take you over to the gallery and show you a video that I actually made earlier here in New York City to show off that feature.
Looks really beautiful.
Once I go over here, I can do a quick swipe on the screen and move over from my rear camera to my forward-facing camera. Now what you're seeing here is the light frame feature. It just gives a soft white light ground, so if you're using it for selfie mode. So here's what it looks like normally. So if you're in the dark, if you're at the movies or in your room at night, you're taking a selfie and it comes out dark, you can use the light frame feature to add some more light and to illuminate that photo even better for you. You can also do a gesture mode to where you can actually hold your hand up in front of the camera like this, make a fist, oops, sorry, make a fist, and it'll take that photo for you. So you can take a quick, easy photo using the gesture mode on the LG G3. Now real quick, when we were talking about the different frame settings on the video recording, so let me go over here to my camera because I thought this was really impressive. I was in the cab on the way over here. I switched my video recording to 120 frames per second. I'm in a cab doing about 30-35 miles per hour here in New York City. So in the back of the cab, you know how bumpy it is. You can see I'm going over some pretty bumpy roads right there. Even though it's extremely bumpy, With the optical image stabilization plus on this camera, you can see that my image is still very clear, still crisp, even though I'm driving that fast. And I'm also recording it at 120 frames per second with the slow motion. So I love that. I think that's a great feature to show off. I think that looks really cool. You can even see some of the license plates at 35 miles per hour. That guy was cutting it kind of close, wasn't he? Getting kind of close to the car. So that's just a really cool, unique feature that I like about the device as well. And the fact that I can just simply tap on the screen, shoot, and never miss those moments. So that's just a quick rundown on the LG G3. We hope that you enjoyed as much as we've loved showing it to you.